With so many people getting started with a brand new Windows 10 device, let's take a look at how to get started the right way. If you're watching this video, you might have just recently purchased a brand new Windows 10 device or are looking for some tips on making sure you're making the most of your own. In this video, we'll be taking a look at what it's like to get through the first initial setup, as well as tips for customizing your device to ensure you're making the most of it for you. This includes some settings you might want to adjust, how to personalize your device, as well as getting set up for multiple users. You also don't want to forget downloading some of your favorite apps. To kick things off, let's take a look at where it all starts. Once you have your laptop plugged in, hit the power button to be greeted by Cortana, guiding you through your setup. Ensure you have your Wi-Fi password handy, as you'll need it here. First, let's select your region, so Windows knows how to customize your system settings such as time zone, and content such as apps available for you. Next, choose the language you'd like to use. Windows 10 features over 110 different languages to ensure you are getting more tailored experience. Next, pick the right keyboard layout that works for you. If you need a second keyboard layout, go ahead and select that. In this case, I'm going to hit skip. Next up is where the Wi-Fi password comes in handy. Select the Wi-Fi you are going to be using and enter the password. Be sure to check the caps lock key, as capitalization matters and might be the cause of errors connecting. Once your Wi-Fi password is entered, Windows is going to go ahead and make sure that you have the latest updates before you start using your device. This is great to ensure that your device is secure and also has all the great benefits and features. Next up, sign in with your Microsoft account or create a new one and set up your password. Windows Hello is also a great way to get set up for easy access without typing in passwords. It safely uses facial recognition to convert your face to a digital signature that is only stored on the device. There's also a PIN that can be used for extra security. Beyond this, there's a few options you can choose that relate to privacy, connecting your phone, as well as getting OneDrive and Microsoft 365 set up. After those, you're all set up and good to go. Once you've made it to your desktop, let's take a look at the ways you can make it your own. To get started, you want to navigate to the Windows settings, which can be found from the Start menu and then Settings. Or you can also type in Settings in the search bar. Here you will find one-stop shop of all the different things you can customize. Sections such as personalization, as well as ease of access, will make the device look and feel more tailored to you. Devices and phone help you get connected to an immensely huge library of devices, accessories, and phones that Windows 10 is compatible with. Sections such as System, Privacy, and Update and Security are where you want to get started, however, as once you set things the way you want, you will rarely need to make changes here again. Here you can make changes to how your device display looks, how it sounds, as well as power settings for when the device will go to sleep or shut down. With Update and Security, you have more control over how updates are installed on your device than ever before, with features such as paused updates as well as active hours that prevent your device from updating during work hours. You might have a lot of updates, especially since you just started with a brand new device. With Windows Security, your Windows device has never been more protected. You have options to help you keep you protected online, manage any threats to your device, and stay on top of your device's overall health. These sections are where you want to spend the most time to make sure you have customized and tailored the device to function perfectly for you. Under personalization and ease of access, really make the device feel and work for you the way you want. Features such as changing your background, theme, color choices can be found under personalization, whereas ease of access can help make your PC easier for you to use. Options here can help make it easier to see what's on your screen or even use your PC without a display at all with narrations. It can also make it easier to use inputs such as your keyboard and mouse with a variety of settings available for each. Microsoft wants to make sure that no matter who you are, Windows will make it easier to do great things. Take some time to really go through the rest of the settings, as everyone can benefit to ensuring the device is set up the way you want. Next, let's take a look at how to add multiple users. This comes in handy if you plan to share the devices with others. From the same Windows settings we are looking at earlier, click on Accounts. From here, click on Family and Other Users. Here is where you can add users in a family group, or just other users that will sign in with their own accounts. By clicking on adding a family member, you'll create a family group. Family groups help families stay connected and keeps kids safer on Windows 10, Xbox devices, and Android devices through Microsoft Family Safety. You can get reports on child's activities, set screen time limits, check on a child's location, limit which websites and games they can access, and also require your approval to purchase from the Microsoft Store. If you would like to add another user with or without a Microsoft account, click Add Someone Else to this PC. Follow the prompts and your device will now have the new users available at startup. Lastly, you would want to ensure all your favorite apps are ready for you to use. You can get started in downloading them by visiting the Microsoft Store. There are tons of apps for everyone, from apps from productivity and social media to games and so much more. It would be a great idea to ensure your Microsoft 365 apps are up to date and ready to go as well. Browse around to find the apps you love and you're well on your way with your new Windows device. In this video, we were able to get up and going with a new Windows device. After initial setup, we went through the various Windows settings that will ensure you have the best experience of Windows 10 that is tailored for you. We also looked at how you can add other users as well as where you can find some of your favorite apps. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it and would like to see more content on Expert Zone, please press the thumbs up button. Also consider pressing the subscribe button so you can be notified when we release more great Expert Zone content. Until next time.